Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a completely clean my house with me. I am in self-isolation, obviously, with all the coronavirus stuff going on, so I just thought I would make the most of this time that I have off from school. Well, not really off from school, but time at home to get stuff done. So we're going to be completely cleaning, disinfecting, making our home as cozy as possible because I am going to be here for a long time, which is totally fine. Anything to flatten that curve, like they say. So we have a lot to do. I really just want to clean the whole entire house. And I don't know, I might include some like cook with me's or something. I really don't know what this video is going to be, but I just want to go ahead and get started and get to cleaning. So I hope you guys are excited, and if you are, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's the big red button down below. It's absolutely free, and it just lets you know when I post new videos. So I'd love to have you guys here on my channel. So let's go ahead and start cleaning and disinfecting my entire house. Alright guys, so we are going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start off in the living room today. I wanted to just make sure the main spaces were what I spent the most of my time on, because this is where we're going to be spending a lot of our time throughout these next few weeks. And I'm using my Chom Chom roller on the couch. If you guys haven't seen my Dog Mom Favorites video, check that out. I will link it down below. But if you have any kind of pet, you need a Chom Chom roller. It's amazing. I go into all the details about it in my other video, so I will link that for you guys in the description bar. But then I'm going to tidy up the couch, put some throw blankets up there. I really just keep those up there to prevent like the dogs from jumping up on the couch and getting it muddy or getting something on it, because it is like a lighter cream color and I'm just so scared something's going to get on it. Noticed there was like random dog food pieces on the floor, so I was like, okay, we're gonna go ahead and start vacuuming. One of my dogs has started this thing where she just gets 3 or 4 pieces of dog food in her mouth, and she will walk them to any carpeted area in the house and just leave them there. I don't know why she just started doing this, but I think it's so funny. Every time I walk around the house, I find 3 or 4 pieces of dog food on the floor. Since we have been getting so much rain, there's just so much stuff that gets tracked in through my back door. So I find myself having to vacuum so much. And then of course you see me holding that really muddy towel. That's what I've been using to wipe the dog's paws off, as well as their mud buster, which again is in my Dog Mom's Favorites video. So I was so excited. I finally was able to steam mop, and oh my gosh, my floors looked so much better after I did this. And now they unfortunately look muddy again, so I'm gonna have to do it again today, but that's okay. But steam mopping is just the best because it kills all the germs and bacteria with just water, so you don't have to use any additional cleaning products or chemicals. It's just hot water. I love it. It makes your floors super warm, so you know they're all clean and sanitized. So moving into the kitchen, I'm going to start by wiping down the countertops and just putting some things away that need to go and then doing some dishes, basic kitchen cleaning. But I've seen people do this thing to their countertops. Like, we have old laminate countertops. They're not my favorite, but they're not terrible. And I've seen people buy special contact paper that's for countertops just for like a temporary fix, or just putting this like really pretty shiny marble contact paper over their countertops and then just peeling it up whenever they're done with it. So I was wondering if any of you guys have done that and if I should give it a try. So I bought this Dawn Power Spray dish soap. It was $2.50 at Target. It was half off. And oh my gosh, that's so cool. I thought it was kind of a gimmick at first, but you just spray it on, let it sit on your dishes for a few seconds, and then rinse it off and you're good to go. But I really like how it's a spray because I feel like it just gets on there better than just like dumping a bunch of dish soap into your whatever you're washing. So I thought that was pretty cool. I think it's something that I probably won't buy every single time, but it was definitely cool to get when it was on sale. I also got some new pots and pans from Home Goods. I think they're called the Masterclass brand, and I love them. They're so cute and so fun to like cook with. I don't know, they just make me happy. So I really, really like them. And they were really affordable, and you can get them at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, pretty much any store like that. So since I was doing a little bit of spring cleaning, I wanted to clean every single mirror in the house. I didn't get to the guest bathroom today, but I got every other mirror in the house clean and just wiped down because it's just something that I honestly don't do that often, and they really needed to be cleaned. Moving on to making our bed. Again, I use that Chom Chom roller on our bed because it just gets every little dog hair you can't even see off. And so I really love having that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed real quick. Right now, I'm just have a plain white duvet cover on it because I just like the plain white for now. Eventually, I do want to switch it up and get something really cute, but I haven't found anything I absolutely love right now, so I figured I would just use this, and I love the way just the plain white looks, and I can also use it in my guest room whenever I'm done with it in our room. Gonna move into the bathroom, our master bath. It was a wreck. There was just clothes everywhere. It's just hair products, just how a bathroom typically looks after you finish getting ready. So I had a lot to do. I was gonna wipe down the sink area and the tub, just make sure everything's clean, as well as just tidy up the bathroom and get all the laundry collected so I could get that going. Made sure I had time to wipe this down thoroughly and just make sure it was clean, because that's honestly a spot in my house I have literally never cleaned. I decided while I was filming this video, I was going to clean out this cabinet because I was sick of opening it up and seeing this disaster. Honestly, this took me 5-10 minutes maybe to do. So I don't know why I put stuff like this off, but it made me feel so much better after I got it done. I was able to clean out a lot of stuff that I no longer need, or honestly stuff that was just stuck in there that I completely forgot about. So if you have a cabinet like this in your house, just go ahead and do it because it really doesn't take that long and it makes you feel so much better in the end. Spring cleaning includes watering my plants. I love this plant. I got it at Home Depot or Lowe's a couple weeks ago when I broke my old pot, and the plant unfortunately went with it. This one's been thriving in the windowsill area. It gets so much sunlight, so I absolutely love it. I cannot tell you what it is. I don't remember, but it is so pretty. In this video, I wanted to show you guys the new little flower pictures that I got at Kirkland's. We are hanging them up. I love these. They add the cutest, sweetest little touch to my kitchen, and I'm so excited. I got 3 for $19.99 from Kirkland's. They were on sale, and I absolutely love them. I just think they add a perfect little something to this space, and yeah, especially for spring, I think they're so sweet. My husband gets very meticulous when hanging things, so I'm glad he's like that because I don't want to put a nail on the wall unless it's in the absolute perfect spot. What?
That's a little off. Say it.
Don't say uh-oh. That is it, guys. I know this video ended kind of abruptly, but I have a lot more planned and coming up for you guys in the future to hopefully keep all of our minds off what's going on right now. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or subscribe if you enjoyed it, and follow me on Instagram. I will leave all that information down below for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.